I'm getting it. Okay, it's a little better.
Ooh. Oh.
They remind me of insects for some reason.
Oh yeah, they do sound like
A
insects.
little bit, like cicadas or crickets. Cicadas are one of my favorites. Yeah, okay. All right, I now have the tech of how to kind of throw them together.
That's right.
These are really cool. I could do these for hours.
Making music, baby.
Maybe a little higher. Get a little bit more.
Oh, yeah. Okay, let's see. Can she do it? Oh. Where'd she go?
Polacks trying to throw things together, right?
Now, can you catch him?
These are cool. Ooh, that one's high. Ooh, I'm getting better at it. I really like that. There's a zzz right in there. You hear it? Okay.